Buck Company is known for producing some of the most iconic knives in history. Buck Knives is the foremost American knife manufacturer which makes top-quality combat knives, hunting knives, pocket knives, and several small pocket knife models. It was founded in 1902, and since then, the brand has produced and sold countless knives to millions of people around the world. These brand's knives have been rooted in American society such that any lockback folder or hunting knife is called a Buck knife. Moreover, all Buck knives come with a permanent warranty program, which guarantees a lifetime warranty against material or work defects, but not against misuse. However, they make knives for different uses, and one of them will be suitable for you. And our collection of the 5 best Buck knives will help you choose one with the right blade design, edges, steel type, and other features to meet your needs.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The Buck Knife 110 is a perfect companion for the great outdoors. It is ideal for finer cutting in tight places and intentional punctures. You can just feel the superb quality of the Buck 110 folding hunter as soon as you pick it up. Firstly, the blade is razor sharp and it has impressive strength, edge retention, and is corrosion resistant. This knife features a 3.75 inches long and 0.120 inch thick stainless steel clip point blade. Therefore, with a blade length of 3 3/4, this knife is made of 420 HC steel with the standard Paul Bose heat treat. The total length of the closed folding knife is 4 7/8 inches. Also, the eye-catching handle of the Buck 110 is made of ethically sourced Crelicum ebony with brass bolsters. Moreover, this knife is equipped with a nail-notch lockback design that opens simply and closes safely during any activity, ensuring that the knife never goes out of style. Also, the lockback mechanism locks the blade open for reliable strength and safety when you work. It comes with a genuine high-quality protective leather sheath with a snap fastener that is really nice and works flawlessly. Plus, the integrated belt loop allows for safe and secure carry-on belt for easy access. Weighing 7.2 ounces, it is much easier to pack and carry than your regular fixed hunting blade, and it is more versatile too. Therefore, the Buck Knife's 110 Folding Hunter is probably the most legendary pocket knife ever and a must-have for any knife enthusiast and knife collector. If you're looking for a knife that is sharp enough to make skinning a breeze or strong enough to tackle tough field dressing, then the Buck Vanguard 192 will be the best bet for you. With its high-quality build, heritage design, and fantastic sharpness and edge retention, it's easily one of the most well-rounded hunting knives. Also, it performs so well that you'll still get more than you paid for. One of the greatest features of the 192 Vanguard is its full-bellied drop-point blade. Another highlight of this knife is its 420 HC stainless steel blade. And the 420 HC steel the manufacturers used in making the knife's 4 1/8 inch blade makes the blade very tough and reliable. The 420 HC steel is also responsible for providing this knife its impressive corrosion resistant ability. It has an overall length of 8.5 inches and its blade is 0.0140 inches thick. Plus, the knife weighs 6.3 ounces. In addition, this knife comes with a classical handle design that is comfortable and balanced in hand. Because it is made of heritage walnut and adorned with polished brass for classy look, the quality of the genuine leather sheath that comes with Buck 192 Vanguard is decent. Moreover, it has a snap fastener so you can fastly and easily sheath and unsheath your blade. Also, it has an integrated belt loop which allows you to affix the knife safely and securely to your belt. Furthermore, the exaggerated finger guard does a wonderful job of keeping hands in place and away from the blade. Overall, the 192 Vanguard is arguably one of the best hunting knives on the market. Also, this knife can also double as a versatile camping knife if you plan to go on extended hunting trips. The Buck 656 Pursuit Pro knives were already excellent when they came out and are even better now. The 656 Pursuit Pro knife is specifically designed to serve as a multi-purpose alternative to traditional hunting knives for beginners and seriously experienced hunters. It is a drop-point style blade with a sateen finish and a plain edge. Also, the blade has a generous belly, a comfortable non-slip profile, and the blade is sturdy and dependable. Its blade is made from S35VN stainless steel. Buck's S35VN steel features allows it to be sharpened more easily, making it a great choice for skinning multiple animals with the option of field sharpening when necessary. The blade itself is 4.5 inches long with 9.5 inches overall length, but the whole thing weighs 6.4 ounces. The blade is 0.140 inches thick. It has a nylon handle with a grippy VersaFlex rubber overmold. Moreover, this knife is accompanied by a lightweight, high-quality, heavy-duty polyester sheath. Additionally, this knife has received a Paul Bose heat treatment. However, Paul Bose is the best in the business and delivers a blade with great strength, corrosion resistance, and overall durability. Finally, the Buck Knife 656 Pursuit Pro, for all the intents and purposes, will probably be one of your favorite all-around hunting knives. The Buck Knives 119 has been one of the most famous hunting knives worldwide for over years. This knife is a heavy-duty knife that has been designed for hunting, military, and outdoor use. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It is just long enough for outdoor work as well as smaller chores. This knife has a blade that is made from 420 HC stainless steel. This means that not only will it be durable against corrosion and rust, but it is also sturdy enough to perform the toughest of survival tasks. The blade is designed to deliver deeper and faster punctures. Also, it features a typical plain edge clip-point 6 inches long blade. And the blade has a nice sateen finish and features a milled out blood groove. It also has superb edge retention because it is razor sharp even after repeated use of the knife in rugged conditions like camping or hunting trips to make firewood from trees. This knife has an overall length of 10.5 inches. Plus, this knife weighs 7.5 ounces, of which makes it relatively lightweight for its size. Furthermore, the Buck Knives 119 knife has a comfortable grip that features a black phenolic handle, and it has palm swells along with an aluminum double finger guard. Also, it comes with a nice snap-closed black genuine leather sheath, and the leather has an awesome thickness and feels of high quality. Additionally, this knife comes with a lifetime warranty. So if you're looking for a tough knife for daily life, don't miss this Buck 119. Plus, this knife is a legendary hunting knife and a must-have for every hunter and knife collector. Another amazing hunting knife from Buck Knives is the 0103 Skinner fixed blade knife. This 0103 Skinner is a highly recommended knife for skinning games. With a 4-inch blade, a narrow tip, and curved belly, this knife makes the task of skinning and slicing easier than most other hunting knives on the market. The blade thickness of this knife is 0.120 inches and overall length is 8.25 inches. Another great feature of the 0103 Skinner that is worthy of praise is its razor-sharp edge. This knife has a blade which is superb at resisting corrosion thanks to the fact that it is made of 420 HC steel. In addition to helping the blade resist corrosion, the blade's 420 HC steel construction also provides its durability and ability to retain its edge for a long period of time. Moreover, it has a black phenolic handle that comes with an aluminum pommel or guard. And the phenolic handle not only enhances the appearance of the knife, but also ensures good gripping during all skinning and cutting tasks. Also, it is a lightweight knife, 4.3 ounce, and does a pretty good job. Plus, this knife comes with a leather sheath that protects the knife and makes carrying it safer and very comfortable. Additionally, a snap fastener sheath with an integrated belt loop keeps the blade in a simply accessible position at all times. All in all, this awesome starter knife is for beginners and affordable enough to not worry about losing or damaging it.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.